Welcome everyone. Today's topic about ASA system of tool nomenclature. Myself Subham De and my teammate Debarpan Majumdar has done this project presentation. We are studying mechanical engineering at Meghnad Institute of Technology in Calcutta. Now let's discuss about objective. There are four objectives like get to know the signature of cutting tools, effect of various angle on machining, why there is need to learn signature of cutting tools, different systems on which it is based. Now next slide, contents. Here types of tools we will discuss types of tools and tool geometry as well as ASA system, what is system, ERA system, what is ASA system we know later. We discuss about ASA system, various tool angles specified in ASA system, tool signature in ASA system, and this topic we are discussing later. Now types of tools. There are two types of tools here. Single point cutting tools and other multiple cutting tools. In single point cutting tools, one cutting tip is available, and multiple cutting tools, more than one cutting tip are available. In single point cutting tool, examples are lathe machine tools, shaping tools, planing tools. In multi-point cutting tools, the examples are milling cutter and grinding wheel. Now next, manufacturing technology. Here this photo is cutting tools picture. Left side single point cutting tool and right side multi-point cutting tool. There are discuss about in single point cutting tool. This is rake surface. This is tool point or nose radius. This is cutting edge. This is flank surface. It is tool shank. And another multi-point cutting tool. That direction is direction of rotation. This is called direction of rotation, and this is cutting edge. Now next, tool geometry. Here tool geometry, we are seeing in this picture that this is nose angle, this is major cutting edge, this is lip angle, and this is rake surface, and this is base. Another side, this is side rake angle, this is side rake angle, this is back rake angle, this is nose radius, this is end cutting edge angle, this is end relief angle, and this is slide cutting edge angle, this is slide relief angle. These angles are denoted some parameters we are discuss about later. Next, what is ASA system? ASA means American Standard Associations. This is the full form of ASA system. Here, it is pure geometrical nature, that is calculation as of mechanics. This ASA specify the tool geometry with three interesting topic points. First, orthogonal. Orthogonal plane, that is one plane parallel to other plane perpendicular to the cutting tool land, both of them orthogonal to the base of tool. base plane PV, and machine longitudinal plane, and machine transverse plane. Tool sorry, tool designate is basically a set of 6 angles and our nose radius that defines the geometry of the cutting tool. So that ASA system also has the 7 parameters, like 6 angles and the nose radius. The angles are based on sectionals along 3 planes. First alone is the horizontal reference. We'll discuss about later. Here, these 3 major angles. Sorry, 6 angles, major angles. We are discussed about here. The first one, the major 3 angles. First of all, we get to know. The first one is the horizontal reference plane, denoted as pi r. Pi r is means horizontal reference angle. Another is the plane perpendicular to the pi r, containing to the feed direction, and feed direction is called x plane or pi x plane. So what is pi x plane? Pi x plane is nothing but the plane perpendicular to the pi r, containing to the feed direction is called the pi x plane or x plane. Here totally discuss about this is pi r plane, this is pi x plane, and we next discuss pi y plane. This the third plane y is perpendicular to both reference plane and x plane. This is also called pi y. This pi y is perpendicular to the reference plane pi x and pi r. This pi r and pi x, the third plane y is perpendicular to both reference plane and x plane, is called also pi y. Now the major angles y. Next we discuss about angles. Here, various tool angles specified in SA system. What's that? First one is back rake angle, second one is side rake angle, third one is end relief angle, fourth one is side relief angle, fifth one is end cutting edge, sixth one is side cutting edge, and capital YY is our back rake angle. Capital Y and suffix small y is denoted as back rake angle. Small a suffix small y is denoted from front shears angle, and phi suffix s is equal to end cutting edge angle. Phi suffix s is equal to side cutting edge angle. We know about. Here this is, we discuss about alpha ay, phi e, phi s, yy. Now next slide. Previously I told about this is yy, back rectangle. This y suffix x, side rectangle. This alpha suffix y, back clearance angle. This alpha suffix x, side clearance angle. This phi suffix e, end cutting edge angle. And this phi s is approach angle. And r is nose radius. This measure 7 angles. This is the parameters here. Now tool signature in ASA system. Tool signature ANSI, American National Standard Institute, or ASA, American Standard Associations, denoted these parameters. Significant meaning. These two parameters, alpha x and alpha s, alpha r and alpha s. This is rake angle. Gamma E and gamma S is relief angle. CE and CS is cutting edge. R is nose radius. Logic to remember: RRC means rake, relief and cutting. Side is always at end in RRC. R is always nose radius comes at end. R is nose radius always comes at end. Now these all topics which are discussed here, this major or ASS system of tool nomenclature, references by our class teacher Honorable Manish and Honorable Debolina Madam. These total presentations they give us to discuss about this topic, and they help us so much. Thank you to Manish and Debolina ma'am. Thank you everyone.